Hello, Book Profits Club family, Taria Vision Avant, and today we're going to talk about how to use automations within the BPC system. Now, I just want you guys to understand that the automation platform is so robust. There is a lot that you can do. In fact, I have used automations for when I'm at events and I want people to text me. I've used automations for when I want to be able to send out a series of emails and also to identify who has opened what. There are a lot, and we are consistently making a lot of updates, but on this video, this is going to kind of give you the introduction of how to automate a lot of your work for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug into this, and remember, make sure to leave a question, comment of anything, thumbs up, and also turn on those notifications. All right.
Hey everyone, this is Christian, and today we're going to talk about how to create your first automation. So first, you need to be inside on your account where you would like to create your automation. So as you can see here, I do have like a test account here from Heather Robinson, and this is where I wanted to create my first automation. So let's go ahead and start by looking at the left side of your screen, and then scroll down and look for the automation. Go ahead and click on that. And once you click it, you will be routed to this kind of page, which is the workflow list. So if ever that you have already created your workflow, then it will show you on this list. These are the sample automation that I do have already. So if you do like organizing stuff, or organizing your workflows, then you can definitely take advantage of this creating folder button right here. But since this will be our first workflow, then let's go ahead and click on the create workflow. All right, so once you click that create workflow option, you do have the option to start from the scratch or select from the template that we have here. As you can see, we have quite a lot of templates to choose from, like import a campaign, recipe, and templates right here. But in this tutorial, we'll go ahead and click the start from the scratch option. Just go ahead and click continue. Then you will be routed to this blank page. At the upper part, this is where you will be naming your workflow, or basically the title of your workflow. Let me name this one as like booked appointment. All right, so we have already named our workflow. We name our workflow for us to, or for you to identify if it easily whenever you are looking for it. So on this section as well, which is new workflow trigger, this is where you will be starting to create your automation. So you might wanted to ask me, Christian, what is a workflow trigger? Workflow trigger is basically your base, or like the main, to activate all the action that you have on the workflow. We call it as an ignition switch of the automation. So once we click um, on that add workflow trigger, it will bring up these option right here. So for today's video, let's say that this automation is about customer booked appointment. All right, so once you click on that, it will bring up these option right here. And I would highly encourage for you to check on the filters so you will know how to be more specific about your automation. Here, the system asks if you do have an appointment, or if the appointment that you have is inside a calendar, or related uh, other related option here. So let me put mine as inside the calendar. You also do have another option here, which is basic booking calendar. Then once you're satisfied with that, then I can already click the save trigger. All right, so I have already added my workflow trigger. Now let me go ahead and add my first action. All right, so on this automation, I for the booked appointment, I wanted to send an email for those customer that booked an appointment with me. So let us click send email, and then here I'm gonna put um thanks for booking an appointment. Thanks for booking your first appointment, right? And then let me go ahead and put my like the body of the email. So mine, I'll put it as hi, and then I can use this custom values like first name. So for example, I'll be sending an email to like Rachel. So it will be like, hi Rachel, thanks for booking an appointment with us. Here's your schedule. So I'll be taking advantage as well for this custom values, and then put in appointment start date. And then thank you, Christian. All right, so since I'm already satisfied with this, I can already click save action, but I wanted to point out as well that you do have other stuff right here, which is you can definitely insert any link, add attachment here or here, or you wanted to change the font or like how your paragraph would look like. But since yeah, I'm already satisfied with this, I'll go ahead and save action. But you can also try to like test it out if it's working. So for example, I'll be putting my email here, 123@gmail.com, and then click send test email. Then that will already be sent to the test email, and then I'll go ahead and save action. All right, so since you have already I have already created my workflow trigger, and then my first action, I'm already satisfied with that. But please take note that you can definitely play around on how you would like your automation to look like. And since I'm already done with creating my automation, please make sure as well to click this publish or toggle this publish option, because of course if you didn't click that publish option, then it will not be, or the workflow won't work if it's not published. And always make sure to save the automation once you're satisfied. There you have it. We have already created your first automation. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed this little tip and you would like more information about the BPC system used with Book Profits Club, all you got to do is be a Book Profits Club Elite member. Well, let me do this. What you want to do is go register for our free masterclass where you can learn how to turn your book or future book into $10,000 a month working 2 to 4 hours a day. Just go to bookprofitsclub.com and register for our free masterclass, and make sure to also leave a thumbs up and leave a comment. If you have any additional questions, comment in the chat. We will get back with you. All right? Well, till then, we'll see you on the next video. Deuces.